Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by attacking the problem at the source, the thread. Open your Android messaging app, long press the spam conversation, and choose Block plus Report so carriers can trace the sender. Once done, go into Settings and enable the filter for unknown senders to automatically sort potential spam. Make sure to save changes. This reduces repeat texts. You do this now because blocking and reporting immediately stops most repeat messages and gives carriers the data they need to act. Next, reinforce filters and introduce smarter tools. Enable spam protection and verified SMS in your messages app so Google and carriers can label and block fraudulent senders. Then create simple rules, auto-archive or auto-delete messages from unknown numbers to avoid notifications. If spam persists, install a reputable blocker app and grant only necessary permissions. Third-party apps add pattern detection and community block lists. Make sure to check app permissions and notifications. This keeps legitimate texts visible while minimizing junk. To finish, escalate when needed. Contact your carrier to block specific shortcodes or ranges and report repeated offenders so they can apply network-level blocks. File a complaint with the appropriate regulator if messages keep coming. That creates official records. Finally, tidy up by checking Do Not Disturb exceptions and backing up message settings. If spam still slips through, reset network settings or uninstall and reinstall the Messages app. This often clears stale filters. If problems persist, contacting carrier support directly usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.